Hey everyone! Today we're diving into something super cool and totally funded. You know that English and Spanish have a bunch of words that are like twins? Yep, they look alike, they sound alike. And sometimes they even mean the exact same thing. If you've ever started learning Spanish and suddenly thought, wait, this is already kind of familiar, well, you're not imagining it. So buckle up, because we're counting down the top 10 similarities between English and Spanish words. Ready? Let's go. Number 10, acción and action. Sounds pretty similar, right? Both come from Latin. And even though the spelling is just a little different, saying them out loud feels almost the same. Seriously, try it, acción, action. Easy peasy, it's like your tongue. Barely has to work harder to learn the Spanish version. Number 9, animal and animal. Okay, so this one's practically cheating because they're spelled exactly the same. The only difference is how you pronounce them. In Spanish, it's mahal, and in English, we say an u mul. The bonus, both mean the same thing. Your dog, your cat, your hamster, they'd fit right in, no matter which language you're speaking. Number 8, perfecto and perfect. I mean, come on, could it get any? Well, more perfect? Drop that O on the Spanish word and voila, you've got the English one. Not only do these two words match in meaning, but they also share the same positive energy. Who wouldn't want things to be perfecto or perfect? Number 7, television and television. Here's another pair so close that they could finish each other's sentences or shows. The only difference is that classy little zigzag sound in Spanish televisión. But no matter how you say it, we're all just talking about chilling with our favorite TV series. Anyone for a Netflix marathon? Number 6, banco and bank. Now before you start counting money, let me just say, how cool is it that these two words share not only the meaning, but also a super similar sound? Banco, bank. They're both places where we store our cash. Or let's be real, where we wish we had more cash. Number 5, familiar and family. Oh, this one is just the sweetest, isn't it? Whether you say familia or family, the meaning is the same. They're the people who drive us crazy, but also love us unconditionally. You could say mi familia es loca in Spanish, or my family is crazy in English, and it'd be true either way. Number 4, idea and idea. This pair is so identical it even makes Einstein proud. No fancy tricks, no spelling changes, just pure lexical magic, no matter how you say it. An idea is still a burst of creativity or inspiration. Like, for example, watching this video. Number 3, color and color. Another word that's a perfect match. In Spanish, you say it with a smooth color, and in English, it's plain old couleur. Same concept. From rojo red to azul, blue color lights up our world, no translation necessary. Number 2, doctor and doctor. Now, both English and Spanish decided to make this an easy one. You might hear a slight difference in pronunciation between the two, but let's be honest, if you're in an emergency and you say doctor in either language, someone's coming to help. Universally understood and life-saving. Finally, number 1, chocolate and chocolate. Can we all take a moment to appreciate that this delicious word is basically the same in both languages? In Spanish, it's chocolate, and in English, chocolate. But come on, no matter how you pronounce it, chocolate is everyone's best friend. It's one of those universal joys that doesn't need much explanation. Whether you're biting into a chocolate bar or sipping on chocolate caliente, the happiness it brings speaks louder than words. And that's the magic, folks. English and Spanish share so many similarities, making the process of learning and connecting through languages so much smoother and way more fun. So the next time you come across a Spanish word that feels familiar, give yourself a little high five. You're already on your way. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more linguistic adventures. Hasta luego. See you next time.